Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Fangs Creations. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this awesome bush from Clash of Clans. Well, this is obstacle number 2 guys. Obstacle number 1 was trees, the 2 kinds of trees. Well, this is a very easy creation guys. It's just nothing but just polymer clay, block of polymer clay just kept on a base. So the materials are as follows. As you can see, polymer clay is the main part. And next is the 4x4 centimeter cardboard base, the recycled cardboard base, the paints and the brushes for making all the details. Now this is a very easy creation guys, so this is a very brief explanation, so let's get to it. Now before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel and then click on the notification bell, select all so that you get updates of all my upcoming videos. Let's get started. Now I've made the measurements guys. Now these measurements are completely as on the reference to the builder hut. In the game you can just put the builder hut beside any bush obstacle that has spawned on your base, and you can create like a rough square in the center and where you can make the bush. Now mix the two resin polymer clays. Now let's go ahead and mix some more talcum powder to reinforce it. I'm going to place it in the center and create a kind of like a trapezoid kind of thing, like a trapezium on all sides. It's bent at the top like a cone and then at the bottom, so it's like a cut pyramid, pyramid that has the top cut off. Now the leaves and the small pieces are nothing but small pieces of polymer clay. You can also use cardboard for making that. Let's go ahead and paint the thing. Now using sap green you can paint the bottom just like this, and you need to paint the sides as well, and you need to dry brush this with some other shades of green, mixing with some white, yellow and all of that, and you can dry brush them to make it look like real grass. Let's go ahead and make the bush, paint the bush. Now the bush is usually like most of it is yellow and white, so let's mix a little bit of yellow and a little bit of white and a lot of yellow to create this color. Now the first layer you can paint without talcum powder, but it's completely your wish. So I did the thing, so I just painted this thing without mixing any powder. Now just like this. Now I'm not taking any large amounts. Using a small brush I'm just dabbing it on, as you can see. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix the talcum powder, as you can see. Now if you mix talcum powder, the paint is gonna become hard because of the thickness, so you need to just mix a little bit of water to make it into a slurry kind of consistency. Then you need to kind of like dry brush the powder coated paint, whatever thing on that. Get a matte finish. Like, we don't want the bushes and all the obstacles to shine, right? So you need to do this just like that, and then you need to use a black paper for the base, and you can make other details. Okay, now this is the final piece guys. So as you can see, it's not that big of a deal, but still it looks really great guys. I'm satisfied with how it looks. The base looks good, the dry brushing looks good, the leaves are somewhat visible just like in the game. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Like, I really enjoyed making this. It was a simple craft, but yeah, it was fun. Yeah. So before you go, make sure you like this video and then comment down below guys. Give suggestions of what videos I should make, or what materials I can use for creating better products, or you can give reviews of how the videos were. Well, yeah, I'll see you in the next one guys. Bye.